In this video, we'll go through the top 10 fintech developments that will have an influence on your organization in this year. Fintech is a word that refers to financial technology. It encompasses all of the new technology and ideas that have been created in recent years to make banking easier for both individuals and corporations. In this video, we'll go over some of these new technologies and how they may benefit you with your business. So, before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for future updates. The year 2021 was a watershed moment for the fintech sector, which introduced groundbreaking payment gateways and client-merchant transactions that contributed considerably to job creation and GDP growth. Fintech is predicted to increase at a rate of 12% over the next few years, reaching a potential value of €188 billion by 2024, according to Statista's forecast. 2022, on the other hand, will be the year in which businesses will grow and replace their outdated systems with digital platforms. Number 10. Emergence of Banking-as-a-Service. Over the last few years, platforms that provide banking services on the cloud have gained popularity because they are a cost-effective and efficient way of providing financial services based on open banking concepts. Monetary institutions must adopt a service-oriented and composable/modular architecture strategy in order to build innovative digital services in the future. Conventional banks and financial firms must use BaaS as part of their digital transformation strategy if they are to succeed. Traditional financial institutions, on the other hand, are expected to engage with the fintech industry in order to incorporate BaaS services in order to bring innovative technology in-house and improve their services. Without a question, BaaS will play a critical role in the development of the financial industry, as well as in helping enterprises to meet the rising demands of consumers. Number 9. Decentralized Finance, Defi. When it comes to fintech's most exciting notions, decentralized finance, Defi, is the concept that is dominating the majority of debates. While Defi originated as a cryptocurrency-related alternative financing tool, industry observers anticipate that it will continue to be at the forefront of fintech in the coming years, particularly in the United States. In October 2021, the market value of Defi, which allows money transfers to take place without the involvement of a central authority, is set at $99 billion, according to estimates. Defi has developed self-executing smart contracts that are poised to fundamentally alter the way financial transactions are conducted. The year 2022 will mark the year in which the majority of banks and other financial corporations will use Defi. Number 8. Open banking. As a result of the pandemic, there has been a surge in online transactions, and the concept of self-service banking is becoming increasingly popular around the world. Financial institutions are digitizing in order to suit the needs of their consumers. Banks and other financial institutions will be able to provide monetary services in a smooth manner using authorized customer data thanks to an API-driven, technology-driven approach. Around the world, open banking principles are being implemented into the services provided by fintech companies. When it comes to providing frictionless customer service in 2022, banks who are unwilling to implement open banking will find themselves at a disadvantage. Number 7. Data and the customer experience. As a result of the COVID scandal, digital banking has become the preferred method of banking within the financial industry. The financial technology industry is always innovating new technologies, not only to better communicate with their customers, but also to supply them with more efficient services and goods. Data is a crucial component in the digitization process. As a result of improved insights into the information rendered out by utilizing AI and machine learning principles, the analytics are improved, and businesses are able to gain a more comprehensive grasp of their consumers' requirements. Real-time analytics also helps to increase the pace with which services are delivered. The expectation of clients for rapid responses to their banking operations and services will be high by 2022. Additionally, by incorporating facial biometric authentication technologies into pre-existing systems, the cybersecurity measure can be further strengthened. Number 6. The rise of cross-border e-commerce. Generally speaking, progress requires change, and in recent years, The most major shift has been as a result of COVID, which has made working from home and social distancing the norm, so fundamentally altering the image of a hometown business. According to a study conducted by Accenture, the total worldwide cross-border payment flow is predicted to reach $156 trillion by 2022, growing at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of approximately 5%. However, as a result of the rise of e-commerce, small retail firms have a tremendous opportunity to grow their sales internationally. However, there will be a significant increase in cross-border e-commerce in 2022, and customers will expect firms to provide a simple and secure payment solution. Number 5. Strengthening fintech regulations. With the rise in the number of digital financial transactions, as well as the migration of monetary services to the cloud, stronger data security and regulatory frameworks are becoming necessary. As a result, regulatory agencies are putting up efforts to develop more comprehensive regulations governing finance and information technology. Having said that, the term regulatory technology, RegTech, has been a popular buzzword in recent years. Compliance and suspicious activity reports are now handled by enterprise-level software that use machine learning algorithms and the most up-to-date data analysis methods. While regulations will grow more rigid in 2022, this will benefit fintech businesses by allowing them to make onboarding and financial procedures clear for their customers and partners. Number 4. NFC Verification Systems. Fintech, like other businesses, is a target for thieves, and there is no exception. Data breaches, money laundering, and other financial crimes are on the rise, as are other types of criminal activity. Financial technology, fintech, companies must comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) rules in order to verify the true identity of their clients before allowing them to use their services. On the other hand, preventing fraudulent operations must be the number one focus for anyone working in this field. Shufti Pro's strong NFC-based identity verification solution, on the other hand, may assist fintech organizations in verifying the identities of their clients while remaining compliant with regulatory requirements. Because the information stored in NFC is encrypted, it is impossible for fraudsters to decrypt and alter the information. To protect financial services from cyberattacks, organizations must implement NFC verification by 2022 in order to remain competitive in the market. Number 3. Digital and neo-banking. Historically, banking has been a monopoly with high entry hurdles that discouraged competition. Neobanks, on the other hand, have a unique potential to take the lead because there aren't enough established norms and standards in many nations throughout the world. Lowered expenses, simple mobile banking, and an improved customer experience are some of the ways that neo-banking entices users away from traditional banking practices. As a result, the neobank sector is predicted to grow at a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 47.7% over the next 8 years, with a market capitalization of $30 billion or more by 2020. In 2022, it is projected that digital banking will surpass traditional financial services due to the increasing connectivity of the world's population. Number 2. Innovation in WealthTech. WealthTech aspires to deliver better monetary management software to entrepreneurs in order to assist them in running successful digital businesses. With the demands of the organization in mind, SaaS providers have emerged with automated financial management systems that utilize essential ideas such as artificial intelligence, AI, and big data. Robo-advisors are a trendy area for study and development in the financial technology industry. These AI-powered solutions, on the other hand, can assist organizations in making better and more precise decisions. Among WealthTech's other offerings include online brokerage, micro-investment platforming, and a variety of other financial services. Number 1. Anti-money laundering (AML) screening. AML screening is one of the approaches that can be used to analyze the risk of a company's existing or potential clients in accordance with AML regulations. Through anti-money laundering (AML) screening, firms can guarantee that their existing or potential customers are not listed on any sanctions lists, PEPs, prohibited or wanted lists, or have negative media information against them. The primary component of your anti-money laundering compliance program is the screening of your customers. A key target of financial criminals is the fintech industry, which is one of the fastest growing sectors in the world. Money laundering and terrorist financing are both frequently carried out using online payment systems, for example. For the purpose of combating this growing problem, fintech companies will pay increased attention to the anti-money laundering (AML) screening service during the account opening process. Screening every identification against worldwide watchlists will identify high-risk entities in a timely manner, allowing for the implementation of preventative measures to avoid financial crimes and non-compliance penalties. A financial analyst predicts that the fintech business will have a bright future. Due to the rapid evolution of the finance sector, which has resulted in the advancement of digital services in recent years, fintech companies must leverage new technology to offer novel financial solutions. Financial institutions will place a high focus on cybersecurity as a matter of course. In any case, the trends for 2022 will set the industry on the path to prosperity. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.